Goodbye room. Goodbye. Cute little view. Off to the Three Pagodas past Myanmar today, so I've got about bloody hell 170 miles, whatever that is in kilometres. 250-kilometre drive there, and then I'm hoping to come back to Kanchanaburi for the night. So they're back. It's only one road that just goes all the way down. There's no way around the mountains. I think it's just a nice scenic route through the mountains, past a reservoir named after the king. I forgot how to say his name. Yeah, I need to get a move on because I've got about 6-7 hours of driving again today. But it's fucking fun. Adios. Oh, it's already warm. My arms are burnt. Nothing to cover my arms unless I wear a jacket.
Oh, okay.
Got one a cap. Thank you. Very nice. Suway Mac. Off we go. I'm burning already. Meow. Hello. What did you do me? Hello. Oh, he looks so battered. Hello. Oh. Poor doggies. There's a rave going on in this school, look. They're listening to Malon Malon Loy. Songoi Hasip. Songoi Hasip. Songoi Hasip. Checkpoint, whatever this is. I don't know what they have a checkpoint for. Maybe they're looking for criminals. Hellfire Pass. I've been there before. So anywhere after here I've never been before. Hellfire Pass. Free entry actually. It's quite good if you're here, come do that, because that was good. A lot of history learned there. Probably spend about 2 hours there. Just seen a cool looking temple, so I'm gonna go check this out because I can do what the hell I want. There's the River Kwai. Big crocodile up there. Humongous elephant statue. Oh, and a temple in the back. Maybe I'll have to take cover here. If it's open, it looks open. Rain's too heavy. Rain's too heavy to carry on. Oh, fuck. Looking for. I don't know who they're looking for. There's a couple of checkpoints around here. There's the dam on the left. I don't know what they're taking pictures of either. A sign that says Pillock. Pillock. Here we are at Kanchanaburi Province. Badgeralicorn Dam, and a huge bike. Don't really know what it is. Hope you can drive through yourself and everything. Don't really know what it is. Just cruising past. There's like a skywalk up here or something I want to check out. Headaches in the skywalk. Hey. Don't know. Oh, you have to pay. I don't know. Don't know what it is. Not good. Straight in. Don't know what it is. But that's the good thing about travelling, is you don't know what things are. There are not many cleaners cleaning one thing. Grass cutters, golf course, mountain in the background, in the clouds nearly now. Look at that view, holy shit. Oh my god, look at the settings around. We're just surrounded by Avatar. Beautiful. Feed the monkeys. Oh my god. What the fuck? This place is fucking nuts. Absolutely fucking nuts. Cannot believe my eyes. What the fuck? This place is mental. I'm on top of a dam. Look how big it is. This place is blowing my mind. I'm going to have to extend another day on the bike because there's no chance I'm going to make it back to Kanchanaburi today. Not with views like this, I'd rather stay around here. Wow. It says do not feed the monkeys on here, look. Do not feed the monkeys. But is monkeys going to be up here? I guess they're hiding from the rain now, but on the dam. You get to the end of there, I think it's a dead end over there, and then just turn around. Kind of wish it wasn't raining so I could see more, but still the views are insane in the rain. Wow. Look at this. I've just driven up here onto this dam. Look at the views! The views! Oh, the jungle, and all in the background there's just jungle in the clouds, and here's the reservoir. Oh. Mind is blown. Mind is blown. Yeah, such a shame it's raining because the views up here would be immaculate. We've got all the rainforest in the background, the dam over there, and I can't even see a metre in front of me. I can't even see the other side of the dam anymore. So yeah, I guess that's it. It's not going to stop. There's no sign of this rain stopping, so I am soaked. but who cares? Got me waterproof on. As long as my bag's waterproof on my phone, that's all that matters. Here it is, the dam. Right, let's head out of here now. I'm so cold. What a day already. Head to the next place. Everything's tipped off his lorry. I mean, I could fit round there, but I mean, I cannot. I'm not allowed. Oh, is it timber? What is it? That must be horrible. He's crashed his lorry into the wall and everything's tipped off. Look at where we are though. We're in the jungle. Oh! Paper. Oh! Oh God! That's not good. Oh! Oh! What's that? Oh, that's high. That's what we're looking for. Let's do checkpoints. Not a free pagodas path. Sky bar and duty free. There's a duty free. Oh. 3-hour drive back to Kanchanaburi. I don't think I'll make it. My dreams were high. I'm soaked. It's been raining non-stop the whole time. Jeez. It's been raining non-stop the whole time I've been here. The whole drive. I'm soaked. What's here then? I've come all the way here. Thai Japan Peace Temple. Some railway tracks from Kanchanaburi. What else is here? Not much. What's in here? That was it. We have just travelled 3.5 hours for nothing. Oh, these little fuckers. You're going to attack me, are you? Slingshot. Well, my arse hurts. And my fingers hurt. Everything hurts. I need a piss. It's not even a toilet.
ส่วนอันนั้นก็เป็นมังคุดแล้วก็มีนะครับมังคุดใต้มังคุดนครลูกเสือนะดูเนื้อหวานเจี๊ยบตัวนี้นะครับเดี๋ยวเข้ามาดูก่อนได้เลยนะครับเดี๋ยวเข้ามาดูก่อนได้เลยนะครับมาครับด้านล่างเลยครับถ้าใครสนใจก็หาได้เลยครับตัวเรียนนะครับ
I don't speak Burmese. Where the hell am I? There's nothing here. There's hats. It's just pointless. I'm good. I'm okay. Hop on cap. I go back. I don't know. She wants me to put something in the temple, but it's raining and I'm not a Buddhist. I guess that's it. There is nothing else here. I mean, what did I expect? I'm freezing. Mon Bridge. You can go for a walk across the bridge. Oh, I guess I'm gonna have to. The views just keep getting better and better. Holy shit balls. You're gonna attack me, are you? Hello. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Every day, wow. Every bloody day in Thailand is just wow, 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 wow. Every fucking day is amazing. So fucking awesome here. This place is fucking incredible. Got women fishing down there, look. Got like these little rooms with sunbeds and kayaks on in the summer. Kayak rounds. You can go on boat tours. This little village over here called Wangkar. Literally is called W-A-N-G space K-A. Wangkar. Across the bridge into Wangkar. If you don't believe me, I'll pop it here, pop it right here. There you go, there you go, you believe me now. Ah, Wangkar. What a place. Wow. I can't get over how insane these views are around here. Right. Chiang Mai was like, yeah, it's alright, but Narjung Loop, yeah, it's alright. Right, North Kanchanaburi. Around the reservoirs, Kanchanaburi. Oh, leave you speechless if you come here, you know. But no one does. That's the thing. Nobody comes around here. It's not on the TikTok map. You can shove out and hang up your ass. I'd rather come to these places, you know. Also found a red bridge. It's the red bridge and the Mon bridge. And take you on little boat tours to underwater temples. 400 baht for 1 hour, they said. About £8 for a 1 hour tour on a boat is alright, isn't it? If you had 2 people. Look at these views. Incredible. I was driving along this. Really fast here. earlier. They always do this. I've used one of these in ages.
มันเป็นแบบไม่เป็นหรอ
มันอ่อนมันไม่เข้าไง
Don't know.
พูดไทยได้ไหมฮัลโหลยูสปีกไทย
Sorry?
สปีกไทย
Nit Noi.
นิดหน่อย
Little.
ไม่นิดหน่อยแล้วพูดได้แล้ว
England.
โอ้ยิงละ
Yeah.
โอ้ nice
Oh.
Are you from holiday here
Huh?
holiday here
Holiday chai,
How
yeah.
long there
2 months.
How long you stay here
I'm going to Kanchanaburi now.
Oh yeah Where you go here and come back
Sayok, Free Pagoda,
Yeah
and Kanchanaburi. Very far.
มอเตอร์ไซค์อ่ะ
Motorbike.
โอ้ได้เยอะ
Chai, chai.
ไม่ได้หรอ
Thank you.
บายบาย
Lagon. What's with all the checkpoints? That's 2 I've seen today. Location when the toilets are by far. Can't drive down here in the day, but I can now. Full of just weed shops down here. Been here before. Cannabis. Well, I've just arrived at the Deaf Railway and the train's coming. How convenient, perfect timing.